Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The process of building your own computer can look awfully technical and intimidating. Buying a variety of components and carefully combining them into a finished product seems a bit much, but it's not as hard as it looks. Building a computer basically involves snapping together pre-made components. 28 April 2014.
Take our lead.
If you're going with a standard Intel desktop CPU, now is as good a time as any to buy. Even if you're building a gaming PC, you should be just fine with one of these CPUs. If you're looking to future-proof, though, the Ryzen 3000 or upcoming Zen 3 CPU will be the better bet. 23 September 2020.
Take our lead.
For $1,000 you can build a gaming computer that can max out anything on a 1080p monitor easily. However, $1,000 in components will also allow you to max out most games on a 1440p monitor as well as serve as an entry point into 4K gaming.
Let's help you make your mark.
Well, generally it's worth it because you aren't just limited to a gaming rig. It's a workstation as well if you need it to be. While you may not have access to all the new console exclusives, depending on your PC it'll often have better graphic fidelity than consoles if you're into that.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Is it cheaper to build a PC? Unless you are buying components or an entire PC second-hand, it is almost always cheaper to build your own custom PC. When building your own PC, you won't have to pay for any labor costs, keeping costs down, and allowing you to include more into your system for the same price.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's probably easier than it's ever been, as all the cables, ports and hardware are all standardized. Add to that, very few tools are needed, and pretty much every part has only one way of going in. It's very easy to put together until you have to troubleshoot a bad component.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You'll be proud of having built it yourself from A to Z as well. However, if you are completely clueless about computers and have absolutely no idea about what each computer part does, you might run into some troubles, so you could definitely benefit from having a shop build it for you. 11 April 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Highlights. With the right preparation and instruction, anyone can build their own PC. Building your own PC is the best way to ensure that your machine will meet all of your needs and preferences. Carefully consider what kind of case you want before choosing your components, as well as your budget.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.